appeal.
Small boy.
Small boy.
This is the real shit.
This is the real shit, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are officially moving to Dubai permanently as residents, guys. And as you know, we've been working very hard in South Africa, building our trading skills and doing trading challenges like our most recent one, which is $50 to 50k USD. We've been grinding in FX space and now it's time to take things to the next level. Currently, we're at the OR Tambo Johannesburg International Airport and we're about to board a flight all the way to Dubai. That's right, guys, the UAE, the land of opportunity, wealth, and next level stuff. It was an 8-hour flight and it was all good. Now we can officially say, Habibi, come to Dubai.
Only arrived. Dubai level.
The reason we moved to Dubai is because we've got big plans, bigger networks, bigger investments, and of course, a bigger vision. You've got to think global if you want to make a global impact. And South Africa wasn't really understanding on how we're making such ridiculous numbers and so much money. They were thinking it's probably drug money or illegal activities. That is why we're making so much money. That is when we knew Dubai is calling and we definitely answered.
It's been a few days in Dubai and here I am greeting my millionaire neighbors. Now back to the charts, making some money to celebrate our birthday today. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Stay tuned.
What's happening?
Come to Dubai. Yo,
Bro! Come to Dubai.
Might lose some battles, but winning the war. I get knocked down, I get back up, get up and go. I stay ready for more. You never seen this. Bet on myself 8 times, no trips. Give me the loot. See now we going high stakes. This ain't clickbait. This a risk take. This no mistake. I was born to do it.
This is the arch. This is the rooms. We're sleeping in the Dior bed. This is where we're gonna make more babies. But obviously playing around. And we're here with the whole crew, bro. You see Mr. Kojo is here.
Yeah.
Miss Abba is here. Bro, we down, bro. You know, it's about to go crazy.
Yes, sir.
That's our big man.
It's not a long story.
listen, are you making man?
Oh, it's a long story. So yeah, guys, that's the yacht. You guys got a small preview from the inside. So now let's go to the top floor. You know, this is what we got here. Obviously, guys, we're in here Dubai. We got the whole yacht for ourselves. And obviously, this is where the men them will be sort of helping him drive, you get me? So yeah, man, I'm here today. Call me captain. I don't want to stir off the ship too much. You can see whatever I do, we experience the 10.
This one's fuego.
So guys, this is where we stay here. This is the pool that we have, infinity pool. I don't know if you guys can see closely. I'll show you guys during the day. I think sometime, you know, at the weekends we get to visit the city, but we're almost there. Like we're at the city, but like, you know, more family oriented side.
Bring this side.
You know,
Guys, it's unfortunate we have to leave you, man. We have a reservation for the dinner, yeah? Dining with the goats. Dubai Mall.
Okay, guys. Let's go to your mentor. Signing out.
You know I got it. I pull up, I come round, make my rounds, it's my town. You know I got it. Hey. When I'm round, they now, what's up now, this touchdown. Hey.
The wives are this side.
So Kojo was explaining
And
in the
the
next
men's.
15 minutes, there's gonna be like a fountain show of the water, bro.
Is it?
You don't wanna miss this out.
So this is where we're chilling. This is where we're chilling. You can see the views. I mean, nothing comes close to what you see in Dubai, you know. Not gonna lie, guys. You need to be here to actually experience it live to really know how it feels like. Are you making man? It's a long story. Dubai level.
Bueno, kahit lagi ang sige landscape.
Yes sir guys, it's a new day. We're done celebrating our birthday yesterday. Now it's time for some fun Dubai activities. Let's go. We're starting with jet ski.
Be safe.
Jet ski vibes, guys. This was honestly one of the best days of my life. Like being there in the water, you know, being on a jet ski, actually being the one driving it. So it was so nice. It has been amazing. I had the best day of my life. We literally had the best time ever. And while we're at that, yo, my bro actually stressed us out, bro. While we're having fun, he was busy there trying to flex, and next day,
Habibi, where are we? Yes, sir. We're in Dubai, baby. Yeah. Let's go.
SOS.
Yo, bro, this really is a desert. This is you guys, and this is us over here. You know what I mean? I'm just kidding, guys. This one's way more fun. I've been in a quad bike before, but it's gonna be my first time riding on what do you call this? Junes or something like that. I don't really know what they call them actually. You know, when you can afford it, you don't really care about the names. You know, you will get the correct spellings or do the paid rides, you know what I mean? But now, on a more serious note, guys, this looks like it's gonna be 100% fun. It's gonna help you do it properly, ne?
Yes.
You also want him to help me. Bro, this really is the desert. Look how much he's struggling in the sand. You're struggling, eh? Like
You're
this.
ready.
Yeah, I also want to do it like this. You see, you look proper now, ready for the sand. Brother, help me too. Now I'm gonna prepare you as well. The others are already in the car, preparing. Yes, now Martin is wearing the hat, right? While he's still wearing the hat, I'm gonna come back and check him. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
We are ready.
Yes, sir. Baby, are you ready? Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go. My brother's almost done as well. I'm obviously ready. Humulimo, are you ready? Yes, you can see. It's ready. Yes, put the head on. Yes, brother, you're ready. All right.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
This is the real deal. Small boy. Small boy. This is the real shit. This is the real shit, yeah.
It just got real. Say how you feel. Got is mad. Yeah, that's too bad. Off of my dick, I got him stressed out. Look at me, I'm blessed now. Tell him I'm the best out. Giving nothing less. You guess to see my third eye. You see my halo.
And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Signing out.